big one. Papa found it near the toy castle. You should have seen it. It had long, sharp teeth and these big, ugly ears and an ugly, fat, crooked tail.
Nutcracker! He's gone.
Sugar plum.
Clara, are you all right?
Clara? Clara!
Clara, come in, come in.
Oh, Uncle Drosselmeyer, the Nutcracker is gone. I must know, is the Nutcracker really your nephew? Was there really a Mouse King? You must tell me. I must know what is real and what isn't.
Oh, Clara.
I have to know, please.